Are you prepared for unexpected emergencies? The first step to preparedness is building an emergency food supply. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of building your own emergency food stockpile. The first thing you need to do when building your emergency food supply is to assess your needs. How many people will you be feeding? For how long do you want your food supply to last? Answering these questions will help you determine how much food you need to store. Next, you need to choose the right foods for your emergency food supply. Focus on non-perishable, easy-to-store items that provide essential nutrients. Good options include canned goods, dried fruits and vegetables, and grains like rice and quinoa. Once you've gathered your emergency food supply, it's important to store and organize it properly. Choose a cool, dry place to keep your stockpile and keep everything in clearly labeled containers to make it easy to find what you need when you need it. Finally, it's important to regularly rotate your emergency food supply to make sure everything stays fresh. Make a schedule to check your stockpile every 3 to 6 months and use and replace any items that are nearing their expiration date. By following these tips, you can build an emergency food supply that will keep you and your family prepared for any unexpected situation. Don't wait until it's too late. Start building your stockpile today.